balls and color it. It will become like planets. Now we are going to color the Mercury planet. Now the Mercury is ready. Now we are coloring the Sun. Now we are going to color the planet Earth. Now I am applying the gum. Now I am taking the glitter and putting on it. Now I am applying the gum. Now we are going to color the Venus planet. Now we are going to color the Jupiter. Apply the glue on. Now the Jupiter is ready. Now we are going to color the Mars planet. Now the Mars is ready. Now we are going to color the Uranus. Now the Uranus is done. Now we are going to color the Neptune planet. Now we are going to color the Saturn. First take us cardboard paper and cut it in a circle and cut it inside. Now put the Saturn inside. Now we are going to color the Saturn planet. Now take the thick cardboard sheet and take the stars and stick like this all over. Now I stick the stars on the circle. I stick the sun on the circle. I will tell you how to stick the earth on the circle. First keep the cardboard paper in a side. Take the needle. Thread inside the needle. Now after putting the thread inside the needle, you take the cardboard paper and stick near to the sun. After fixing the earth, fix all the planets like this. I put all the planets around the sun and I put their names. In this solar system there are 9 planets. The planets' names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now I will tell you a very easy sentences to remain all the planets. My very efficient mother just served us noodles. My for Mercury, very for Venus, efficient for Earth, mother for Mars, just for Jupiter, served for Saturn.